Up until now, our AI has been reactive. You ask something, it replies. You give it text, it explains. You ask for a question or a quiz, it generates one. But real learning needs structure, a path, a plan, someone to say, here is what you should study first, then second, and here is how long it will take. That's what we built today, the study planner as of day 7. So the pipeline would look like this. We have the explanation, then the quiz through the flashcards, and then the planning. The engine is like this. Today is our first real step into agentic behavior. The AI doesn't just answer questions anymore, it looks at a big goal, breaks it into smaller steps, and organizes those steps into sessions. This is the kind of planning real agents do, not just chatbots. Main idea is here is simple, agentic planning. Agentic planning means the AI can look at a topic, look at your available time, and create a realistic study plan. Not fantasy, not random tasks, a real plan you could follow today. The output is pretty much structured again, but bigger. So the same trick is used from day 5 and 6, structure output, but now the structure is deeper, it's nested. A plan is data, sessions have goals, sessions have items, and items have durations and resources. And with our Pydantic models, we can turn that into JSON or display it in a calendar or in a to-do list. One study session looks like under the hood, simple, clear, and it allows for real complex schedules. The brain is here in our planner, basically a strategy. We tell it break the topic into logical sessions, make each session realistic, and use the time the user has available. So if we say only have 2 hours, the AI creates a 2-hour plan. If you give it 2 weeks, it creates a road. Here is some snippet to the prompt, and we can see the output and how it was generated. When I ran this day 7 file, I asked make me a plan, master LangGraph in 2 hours. And we can see the model broke it into 2 sessions, session 1, session 2, and session 3 actually. It's different from the first output I got. It even divided each session into tasks and give each task a time estimate. You can see we have the example, and this is not a chatbot response, that's a real plan. With this, our AI becomes something new, not just a tool, but a study partner, someone that helps you understand, remember, and now organizes your. But here is a problem, a big one. Right now, the AI doesn't remember anything you did yesterday. And we have said this for the past days. It doesn't know your level, your progress, or what you struggle. And that's what we fix next. In day 8, we go into memory, and we try to add both episodic and semantic memory to the agent we currently. Thank you so much for watching.